Alright, as you can see, this wall has seen better days, and we're going to give it a makeover that it's never had before, yeah? Like you've seen fairy tales. Not these new modern fairy tales where you just make them look uglier, but you say they're prettier. We're actually going to make it look prettier, alright? It's going to lie to it and say, yeah man, you look bad, you know. You're right, my name's Brian Driver. Today, we're going to teach you how to bring back a wall that's been badly damaged through basically mould, damp, just decay really. So outside, there was a block pipe, so rainwater overflows down the brickwork, dampens up the brickwork from outside to the wall, gets mouldy, gets damaged, gets wet. So always number one, get the source unblocked, because it doesn't matter what you put on the wall, the damp, the mould and all that will still come back if it's still blocked up. So get that fixed. Once you've got it fixed, you just got to let it dry out a little bit. Sun's out, it's nice and dry now, the wall. You can feel that the temperature inside this room, it's not cold, so the damp's not staying there anymore. Because otherwise you can paint until you're green in the teeth, and the mould and horrible stains are going to keep coming through unless you get it unblocked. So now, what we're left with anyway, you see this is all bubbling. It's just all round nastiness now. So we're going to get all that crap off the wall, scrape it off. We're going to patch up if it needs patching. Then we're going to put some nice primer on it. Then we're going to put on a nice coat of the white stuff. All white geezer, yeah? And we'll get it sorted. Alright, so step one, we're going to get rid of all this flaky paint. Just look at it, it's coming off. Look, get it off, don't go to town, because look, you don't want to be living too many, this is plaster, so we don't want to crack it too much. We don't mind coming back and doing the old patch up and fill up job. But you don't, if you do it too hard, you might need to actually plaster the whole wall again. At the moment, it's not that bad that we don't have to plaster the whole thing. So like I said, get it off, be firm, but fair, right? So let's get all this crud off. It all has to go, right? I'm going bottom up here, but that's just because I'm doing the video just to show you how to, but if not, I would have started up so all the stuff dropped down, yeah? Because once we do that, we're going to clean it anyway. But you get it, yeah? Just keep working at it. You see that some of this stuff might even have to be, what's it called? Sanded. That's not bad, look at it. Oh yeah, it's just taking a little bump. At the moment, it's kind of got that surface like Mars, you know, that rock face. What we'd have called probably in the 90s pizza face, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, people are less crueler these days, so. You call it whatever you call it, you know? totally this way. Right, let's get our ladder. Always position your ladder safely, yeah? Before it's, yeah.
So we're going to start in about a minute, just take a seat. Is everyone here okay, by the way?
Oh.
At the back, yeah. Thanks for coming and welcome. This is a meeting to commemorate the miners' strike. 40 years since the miners' strike, but not just to commemorate it. This is about learning the lessons of the miners' strike in order to balance the class struggle in broken Britain today. And we have a panel of speakers. All speakers were direct participants in the Great Miners' Strike. We have Dick Hall, who was a veteran of the National Union of Miners strike, the NUN strike, in 1885 and other strikes as well. And he was at the base of the water main colliery. We have John Masters, a leading member of the International Communist League, which was the International Sparks tendency during the miners' strike. We have John Broom, who was a leading member of the International Sparks tendency during the miners' strike and the International Communist League today. And we have Evelyn Donald, who is also the Spartacist League Britain during the miners' strike and is a leading member of the International Communist League today. So the miners' strike was in 1984-85 was the last serious great class confrontation in this country. It polarised Britain. It was a strike that went on for almost a year. On one side you had the widely despised right-wing Conservative government of Margaret Thatcher, supported by the police and the whole state apparatus. On the other side was the National Union of Mine Workers, led by Arthur Starville, who was very different from the kind of trade union leaders you get today. He actually fought for the working class and fought to win the strike. And the miners, the National Union Mine Workers got rid of the Tory government in 1974. and it was supported by white sections, the working class, and also sections of the oppressed, which I think the speakers will go into. Now, the strike was forced on the MUM because the Thatcher government wanted to get rid of the most militant and powerful union in the country, so it could deal with the crisis of British capitalism in favour of the assisted London financiers. So the miners were not just fighting for their jobs, but their children's jobs, their grandchildren's jobs, for the future of British the working people in Britain, actually, because in order to get rid of, to defeat the National Union mine workers, the Tory government was committed to destroying the coal industry. And we're living in the shadow still of the defeat of the miners strike today. Crap, precarious job.
We've got it all off, so what we're going to do, I'm going to quickly dust this off.
Our executive overturned that, and we came out on strike on